Welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, and here's the video on how to delete TikTok account from your mobile TikTok app. Open TikTok app on your iPhone and keep your TikTok app updated to the latest version. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the iPhone screen. Now tap on More option at top right corner. Next, here's all TikTok account settings. Tap on Manage My Account. Under the account settings, the last option is for the delete account. By tap on it, you will get the message verification to your registered mobile number. Enter the 4-digit verification PIN and finally click on the Continue button. Next, you will see the screen of confirmation and see all the rules before you finally delete your TikTok account. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During deactivation, your account won't be visible to the public after 30 days. Again, tap on Delete option from the verification pop-up. Now your account will be signed out automatically from the device and re-log in with another detail or reactivate and get all of your account data of TikTok within 30 days. This is the only recovery method. Also, don't miss to subscribe, like and share for more helpful tips, tricks, and support us.